What's up everyone, Trent here and welcome back to the channel. We've got our 2011 Colorado back on the lift, transmission back in it, ready for 800 plus horsepower. Yeah, you heard that, 800 plus horsepower. Also, we've got our brand new cooler lines on. Got our old junky ones over here. Our high pressure lines where they crimp them from factory or leaking. And we're gonna go ahead and get one of these hooked to the radiator. And then we're gonna take the other one off. And I'm gonna show y'all how to install an external cooler on one of these. This did not have a cooler at all. So, y'all guys check this out. We're gonna make this work. Okay, first things first. So what we want to do is our top cooler line is our return cool fluid. That's the fluid that's coming out of the radiator that has been cooled by the radiator fluid. We're going to zoom out here. We're going to find that line, which is this line here. We're going to follow it all the way up. Keep following. And this is the line that we're going to be cutting and flaring. So what we want to do is, this is going to be our in. It's going to come back out here, and then it's going to go through our cooler and then back to our transmission. So we're going to have a double cool before it goes back to the unit. Now that we have our line marked, we can get our handy dandy tool and get our lines cut. The line is cut. Line is cut. Got our old school flaring kit that works like a champ. Let me show you. So, see what that looks like? Be right back with you. Well, there you have it, ladies and gents. A nice, beautiful flare. One down, one to go. I love this. We're getting close. We've got our grill out. We've got our cooler on, and sorry guys, you know me, I just like to start working before I video. I just get ahead of myself sometimes. But so what we had to do is we had to loosen the radiator, we had to loosen the AC condenser. This was not an easy task, so if y'all guys are trying to do this at home, be very careful because you can poke a hole in the radiator and in the condenser. You do not want to do that. This wasn't an easy task, so y'all guys be very careful when you're taking this apart and putting one of these on. You can ruin it real easy. So let's get this thing back in there. We'll get the grill back on, get our quick disconnect lines on with our flared ends, get this thing started and back on the road. There you have it, everyone. We've done it again. It's how you put an external cooler on a 2011 Chevy Colorado. Not bad. Looks good. Nothing touching. Everything nice and tight. Nothing wobbly. Brand new 800 plus horsepower transmission. Can't beat that. All it needs is some fluid. Get this bad boy on the road. Get it back to our customer so he can enjoy it. If y'all guys liked, give us a thumbs up, go subscribe. Y'all guys don't go anywhere. Next video coming soon. Have a great day.